the university has been working very hard at preparing for our students to come and reopen. We are targeting to start with our final year students. Also, as you know, our university is a science and technology university, which means that many of the programs we do are practical oriented. The students must go to the labs, they must go to the studios, they must do clinicals. And with that, as our chair lady rightly said, some of our students will actually need to come to the university and actually use the facilities we have here. We are looking at social distancing, how they can work when they are not so close together. Of course, there is the issue of hand washing stations, which we are putting all over the university. The university is also making sanitizers and masks so that they are readily available for students when they are here. And like our chair lady rightly said, the council, who we invited to come and see what we are doing as a management, and also to help us by giving us more ideas of how we can improve. They have already seen our classrooms and they've seen we are social distancing. And so as we go along and as we prepare, we intend to invite the council once again to come and see what we've done before we invite the ministry to come and inspect. And we are positive when we invite the ministry, they'll give us the go-ahead to allow our students to come back.
We've come, we've seen that the campus, the management is doing very well in terms of its preparedness. Classes have been lined up well, and the social distancing bit has been taken care of. We have also realized that from the campus, from the gate up to the inside the campuses, we have all these sanitizers and all these water hand washing points, and I think we are on course. I won't say we are 100%, but we are on course. The management is on course, and we want to encourage them to continue. We have a checklist from the ministry that we are also working with, and we are almost there with the checklist, but we are still continuing to check ourselves and to see whether we are ready and prepared for our students. Of course, COVID-19 has really affected us because now this is a new way. We have to adjust ourselves to the new normal for the virtual learning, and virtual learning is not easy. It has not been easy with most of our lecturers, and our students also. There are some who are not accessing the lectures because most of them are also from up country, and it's quite challenging for our students and also for us as a campus. We are not able to keep up with all these pressures from the university, from the students.